As digital currencies become more mainstream, understanding how to manage them is crucial. One of the fundamental tools you need is a crypto wallet. Think of it as your digital bank account for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies. With the rise of Bitcoin and other digital assets, more people are diving into this space. However, the first step is always to ensure your holdings are secure. This is where crypto wallets come into play. They are essential for anyone serious about participating in the crypto economy. In this guide, we will explore everything you need to know about crypto wallets, from their importance to how they work, and the different types available. By the end, you will be equipped to choose the right wallet and keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. Understanding crypto wallets is not just for tech geeks anymore, it's for everyone who wants to take control of their financial future. A crypto wallet is a digital tool that allows you to interact with blockchain networks. It stores your private and public keys, which are necessary for managing your cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a secure digital vault. Without a wallet, you can't send or receive cryptocurrency. The importance of a crypto wallet cannot be overstated. It ensures that you have full control over your digital assets. Unlike traditional banks, crypto wallets eliminate intermediaries, giving you complete ownership. This is crucial in the decentralized world of cryptocurrencies. There are different types of wallets, each serving unique needs. Some are designed for security, while others focus on convenience. Choosing the right one depends on your specific requirements and how you plan to use your cryptocurrencies. In summary, a crypto wallet is indispensable for anyone involved in the crypto space. It not only provides security, but also gives you the freedom to manage your assets as you see fit. To understand crypto wallets, you need to grasp the concept of public and private keys. These are cryptographic keys used to send and receive cryptocurrency. Your public key is like your email address. You can share it with anyone who wants to send you crypto. On the other hand, your private key is like your email password. It should never be shared with anyone. The private key is what allows you to access your crypto and authorize transactions. Losing it means losing access to your funds. Public and private keys work together to secure your transactions. When you receive crypto, it is encrypted with your public key. Only your private key can decrypt it. This ensures that only you can access the funds sent to your wallet. In essence, the security of your crypto wallet hinges on keeping your private key safe. If someone gains access to it, they can steal your funds. Therefore, understanding and managing these keys is crucial for any crypto wallet user. Crypto wallets come in two main types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Each has its own set of features, benefits, and drawbacks. Knowing the difference will help you choose the right one for your needs. Hot wallets are always connected to the internet. They are convenient for daily transactions but are susceptible to online attacks. Examples include mobile apps and web-based wallets. They are user-friendly and offer quick access to your funds. Cold wallets, in contrast, are offline storage solutions. They offer higher security but are less convenient for frequent transactions. Examples include hardware wallets and paper wallets. They are ideal for long-term storage of large amounts of cryptocurrency. Both types of wallets serve different purposes. Hot wallets are great for everyday use, while cold wallets are perfect for securing large amounts of crypto. Understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision. Section 5. Pros and cons of hot wallets. Hot wallets are popular among crypto enthusiasts for their ease of use and accessibility. Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Coinbase Wallet are among the most well-known hot wallets. They offer a range of features that make managing your crypto simple. One of the biggest advantages of hot wallets is their convenience. You can quickly access your funds from any internet-connected device. This makes them ideal for everyday transactions and trading. They also support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, adding to their versatility. However, the convenience of hot wallets comes with risks. Being online makes them vulnerable to hacking and phishing attacks. If your device is compromised, your funds can be stolen. Therefore, using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication is crucial. Despite their security risks, hot wallets remain a go-to for many due to their user-friendly nature. They are perfect for those who need quick access to their crypto but should be used with caution. Section 6. Pros and cons of cold wallets. Cold wallets are the gold standard for crypto security. They include hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, which are highly regarded in the crypto community. These wallets offer unparalleled protection for your digital assets. The primary advantage of cold wallets is their security. Since they are offline, they are immune to online threats like hacking. This makes them an excellent choice for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency. They provide peace of mind for long-term holders. However, cold wallets are not as convenient for daily use. Accessing your funds requires connecting the hardware device to a computer or mobile device. This can be cumbersome for frequent transactions. Additionally, hardware wallets come with a cost, which might be a barrier for some users. Despite these drawbacks, the security benefits of cold wallets make them indispensable for serious investors. They are a must-have for anyone looking to store significant amounts of cryptocurrency safely. Section 7. Step-by-step guide to setting up a trust wallet. Setting up a trust wallet is simple and straightforward. Follow these steps to get started and secure your crypto assets. First, download the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to agree to the terms of service. Next, you will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This is crucial for accessing your wallet if you lose your phone. Write it down and store it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. Click Continue and enter the recovery phrase to confirm. Finally, set a strong password for added security. Your wallet is now ready to use. You can start by adding some cryptocurrency. Click on Receive to get your wallet address and share it with someone who wants to send you crypto. Section 8. Essential security tips for keeping your wallet safe. Security is paramount when it comes to managing your crypto wallet. Here are some essential tips to keep your assets safe. First, always use a strong, unique password for your wallet and any related accounts. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like 123456 or password. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. Second, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. It can be a code sent to your phone or generated by an app like Google Authenticator. Third, be cautious of phishing attacks. Never click on suspicious links or provide your private key or recovery phrase to anyone. Scammers often use fake websites and emails to steal your information. Lastly, regularly update your wallet software to the latest version. Developers often release updates to fix security vulnerabilities. Staying updated ensures your wallet has the latest protections. Section 9. Final thoughts on choosing and securing the right wallet. Choosing the right crypto wallet is a critical decision. It depends on your needs and how you plan to use your cryptocurrency. Hot wallets offer convenience for daily transactions, while cold wallets provide superior security for long-term storage. No matter which type you choose, security should always be your top priority. Understand the risks and take necessary precautions to protect your assets. Using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and staying vigilant against phishing attacks are essential practices. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is still evolving. New threats and security measures emerge regularly. Staying informed and proactive is the best way to safeguard your investments. By following the guidelines in this guide, you can confidently choose and secure the right wallet for your needs. Your financial future in the crypto world depends on it. Section 10. Encouragement to share experiences and preferences. Now that you have a comprehensive understanding of crypto wallets, it's time to take action. Choose the wallet that best suits your needs and secure it using the tips provided. Your journey in the crypto world starts with this crucial step. We encourage you to share your experiences and preferences in the comments. Have you used a hot wallet like Trust Wallet or a cold wallet like Ledger? What challenges have you faced? And how did you overcome them? Your insights can help others make informed decisions. Engaging with the community is a great way to learn and grow. By sharing your knowledge and experiences, you contribute to the collective understanding of cryptocurrency security. Let's build a safer and more informed crypto community together. Thank you for reading. We hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Safe and happy trading.